case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1994, the Louisiana Supreme Court took on a peculiar case, K v. State, Department of Transportation and Development, known as the case revolving around a tragic accident on an ill-equipped bridge. The ordeal began when the Department of Transportation and Development, DOTD, replaced an older pedestrian bridge with a newer one. Notably, the new structure was not intended for pedestrian use, and as a result came with railings that measured only 32 inches high, rather than the standard 36 inches necessary for pedestrian bridges. Moreover, the DOTD did not install warning signs for pedestrians. Late one evening, the bridge became the site of a fatal accident. Keith K., intoxicated and clad in dark clothing, attempted to cross the bridge without any light. Tragically, he fell over the railing and died, leading his parents to file a lawsuit against the DOTD. They claimed that the inadequate railing and absence of warning signs posed a significant safety hazard. While the trial court initially apportioned 40% of the fault to K and 60% to the DOTD, the Louisiana Supreme Court had a different perspective. Upon reconsideration, the court attributed 90% of the responsibility to K and only 10% to the DOTD, citing K's voluntary intoxication and disregard for pedestrian rules as significant factors. Still, the court was left to question whether a taller railing could have prevented the fatal incident. Considering there was no evidence to suggest K fell intentionally, the court deduced that a higher railing might indeed have averted the tragedy. With this in mind, establishing a cause and fact seemed plausible to the jury. A bridge bracing itself against the wind of a legal storm, this case underscores the weight of pedestrian safety and adherence to infrastructure standards.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.